Welcome to the Zebrabuzz platform. Today I'll guide you through the process of how to enable Chat with a Human button. This feature is important because many users would like to talk to a human rather than have a bot respond to them. So when the user clicks on Chat with a Human button, the bot will pass the conversation to a human. An agent will get an email so that they can talk with the user or the customer instantly. Zebrabuzz is an AI Facebook and Instagram automation platform that comes with email and SMS marketing automation. It was created to help online business owners collect leads and sell their products through automation. Let's start the process. Make sure you have created your account with Zebrabuzz. If you're unsure how to connect your Facebook account to the system, please watch the video linked in the comments. Now, let's proceed to the next steps. Okay, let's click on the Bot Manager menu on the left menu. Now, choose the specific page on which to set the button. Then find General Settings and click on it. Now, under the General setting, you will see the Chat with Human email text field. In this field, put the email you want to receive a message from when a user clicks on the Chat with Human button. Set some form of instant notification to receive an alert each time you receive an email from the bot. When users want to chat, they love it when they receive immediate replies. Then scroll down to save it. Now scroll up, click on the Action button settings. In the middle of the dashboard, you will see Chat with Human template. Click on it. You will be taken to the Bot Flow Builder dashboard, which is one of Zebrabuzz's advanced features. Double-click on the text box here. A message box will open. You will see a default message there. Please edit and replace it with the content you want to reply with when a user clicks on the Chat with the Human button. Below, you will see other settings. You can select Typing on Display, which lets your users know that you are typing. Choose the delay time before the bot starts to type or reply. Then save it. So far, we have gone through the general settings to set the email to notify the agent when a user wants to speak to a human. We have set the default message we need to send to the user. We will now return to the Chatbot Manager page. Here, we need to go under the Bot Reply menu and click Change Settings. Then click Create New Flow. The Flow Builder section of the dashboard will open. Now double-click in the middle of the Start Bot Flow box. Here, a new section will open. Now, add the keyword or keywords that will trigger the bot. When the user types any of these keywords, the bot will respond. Here, I will write Agent. Now click Done to save. Give it a title or the name of the bot. Now click and drag the Compose Next message. Select how you want to reply if a user types Agent. I will select the text because we want to send a text message. A text message box will open. Here you can write your reply message. Remember to add emojis if you wish. Click the Done button below to save. Now back to the Flow Builder. Select and drag the button dot. Here we want to create a chatbot with human button. Then from the next field, select the System Default Action button. From the next field, select Chat with Human. Click the Done button below to save. At the top right, click the Save button to save the flow configurations. Now let's head to our Facebook test page to test our chatbot. Click the Message button on your page. The messenger box will start. Let's type Agent. Now, our message displays with the Chat with Human button. Now the bot will notify the agent via the email we provided. At this point, the agent will take over the conversation with the user, but the user can always resume the conversation with the chatbot. Okay, now let's check the email the agent will receive. It comes with the title we set. Also, you will see the message we set during our configuration, which tells you that a user wants to talk to an agent. Then, you will see other details, like the page name, in case you have different pages, the subscriber name, etc. But what happens if the user clicks to resume the conversation with the chatbot? Well, he will get this message. This is it for today. Thanks for watching.